Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you taking time to click on this video. This is going to be a chill flight with the original, with the motion controller, come with the combo. I haven't used this for quite some time because I've been doing so much manual mode stuff. Okay, so over here, you see my little camera right there on the post. If you look right above the camera to the right, there's like an old drainage pipe or something. And it looks like there's an ice formation. So I just want to take a nice little easy flight over there and check it out. So no further ado, let's go over there. Oh yeah, I forget you have to press and hold the orange button on this motion controller for it to take off. Oh, been a little bit since I've done this. See, I got a nice little base camp right here. What does the sign say? Oh, just for the anglers down in here. I'm not fishing. I'm just down here to explore. So we'll make our way down in here. This little river along the road. I'm up near Morrison, Colorado. Just kind of fly right in these little gap right here. Pretty cool looking frozen river. Huh. Go this way. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Now we'll make our way over here if I can to this pipe. It looks like it has an ice buildup. I wonder if it's leaking or something. Let's see, go around these trees. Can't seem to find a good opening here. There we go. So one thing nice about this motion controller is you can just use one hand and really just go easy with it. It's very relaxed. The adrenaline's not pumping as much, so it's easier for exploring when using this thing. So, all right, so here's our pipe. Gonna squeeze through here. Look at that ice formation over there. Is this too little to squeeze through? Yeah, let me go underneath. Let's see, bring it down. There we go. Let's just go right through here. Come up on the other side of that. I bet you it's springing a leak. Yeah, I guarantee you that's what happened a minute. Turned into an ice formation. Alright, can we squeeze through here? Oh yeah. Alright, let me get back around and take a look here. That's awesome. Let's go up a little bit. The motion control, you have to use your joystick on top to do your side shifts and other stuff. Huh. Wow, that's cool. That'd be cool to put a time lapse on that thing, like a high-speed time lapse, and watch it slowly keep building up in the ice formation that it's in. Pretty rad. Should I squeeze back through here? There's water flying right here. I don't know. Yeah, I'll refrain from the water flying here. That is pretty sick. Looks like they have an old beam holding the pipe up. Wow. Cool. Well, what else we got to explore here? Start off with my battery like 76%. I'm down to 55 right now. And this easy kind of flying really lasts your battery a lot longer than manual mode. But not as much of a thrill, but it's just cool just to relax and enjoy the flight, you know? Enjoy the beauty of it. don't even have it in sport mode on the motion controller, just normal mode. So look at this river again. Let me pause and maybe adjust my ISO. Oh, I can't while I'm recording. Okay, never mind. I don't want to stop recording on the video. I might lose my audio place. So anyway, I'll just make sure this is color graded properly by the time it's being presented to you. All right, whoa, some sticks. Let's see how much further back here we can go without it getting too sketchy. This is where the motion controller just shines for me. Just easy, straight on flights. Wow. Okay. I'm down to 42% right now, so I'm only 200 and some feet away. It seems longer than that. I'll go through here and see if I can dig my way back out of here. I'll go through here. Mysteries of the Colorado jungle. There we go. Pretty cool. Got 36% left. I'm gonna go get one more look at this ice castle made by the leaking pipe. There's another part of the pipe right over here. This doesn't have any leaking formations, does it? Does not appear so. All right, there you have it. Bring her on back. I usually don't, even if I'm not in manual mode, I usually don't keep it out there for much past like low 30s battery percentage wise. It's 30 right now. It says I could have another 5 minutes of flight time, but I know a lot of people probably take these down to the teens or lower before they bring it back, especially if they're testing things. But let's try to land it right over here. So, yeah, as you can see, the motion controller still has its place. I know a few people dog it, saying that it's, you know, once you learn manual, you'll never go back. And yeah, I suppose, you know, I'm still learning manual. I got a long ways to go. And, you know, keeping it in manual mode when you go slow like that, a lot of guys can do it. It's pretty cool watching them do it. But I just like the whole having one hand free and just kind of relax like this. It gives me just, you know, bit more peace of mind when I'm flying, exploring type places like that. So that's what they created this thing for. But appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Drop a like, and keep on flying high. See you on the next video. Appreciate it, y'all.